महाराष्ट्र समाज सेवा संघ रचना अँड नवरचना विद्यालय स्टँडर्ड 7th सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश. वेलकम स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू आवर ई क्लास. Friends, today we are going to read a story 1.3 on page number 10. The name of the story is Little Girls Wiser Than Old People. This story is written by Leo Tolstoy, was one of the greatest authors of all time. He wrote many novels, short stories, and philosophical works. This story is also from his short stories collection. This story based on non-violence and this has a message for grown-ups. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्ही बुक्सच्या PDF डाउनलोड केलेल्याच असतील. त्यातील इंग्लिश बुक ऑफ स्टँडर्ड 7 हे तुम्ही ओपन करणार आहात. यामधील पेज नंबर 11 युनिट 1.3 लिटिल गर्ल्स वायझर दॅन ओल्ड पीपल ही स्टोरी ओपन करायची आहे. बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग टू read this story, you have to watch this video very carefully. Understand the difficult words, their pronunciation, their meanings while listening the story. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आता हा व्हिडिओ बघा. व्हिडिओ बघताना खाली जे काही इंग्लिश वाक्य दिलेले आहेत ते वाचायचा प्रयत्न करा. त्याचा अर्थ समजून घ्या. नवीन शब्द येतील ते सर्व शब्द तुम्ही तुमच्या इंग्रजीच्या वहीमध्ये लिहून ठेवायचे आहेत. हा व्हिडिओ तुम्ही दीक्षा ॲपवर देखील बघू शकता.
In the yard lay snow and rills ran down the village. A large puddle had run down from a manure pile in a lane between two farms. In that village, two girls were living. They were good friends. One is Malasha and another one is Akulka. Malasha is little bit elder than Akulka. It was an early Easter. Both girls had been dressed by their mothers in new clothes. Akulka had a blue dress and Malasha had a yellow dress with design. Both had their heads wrapped in red kerchiefs. They had gone to church for Easter prayers. After this, the two girls went to the puddle and showed their new garments to each other. Both girls wanted to splash in water. Malasha started to go into the puddle with her shoes on. Akulka told Malasha not to go in the puddle with her shoes on. She removed her shoes and asked Malasha to do the same. Then both the girls took off their shoes, raised their skirts, and walked through the puddle towards each other. Malasha stepped into the puddle and she said it was deep. She was afraid. But Akulka told her not to worry as it would not be much deeper. She told Malasha to walk slowly and softly and not to splash water. Akulka had barely said this when Malasha plumped her foot into the water and bespattered Akulka's new dress. Her nose and eyes also got dirty. When Akulka saw the spots on her dress, she got angry and scolded Malasha and ran after her. She wanted to strike her. Malasha was frightened and jumped out of the puddle and ran home. At the same time, Akulka's mother passed by and saw her daughter's dress bespattered. She asked Akulka how it becomes dirty. Akulka said Malasha had purposely splashed the dirt on her. After learning this, Akulka's mother grasped Malasha, gave a knock on the nape of her neck. Malasha started crying and her mother ran out of the house. Malasha's mother inquired about the reason for striking her daughter. She began to scold Akulka's mother. One word brought back another and the argument started between two women. The men ran out and big crowd gathered in the street. All were crying and nobody could hear his neighbor. In such crowd, one man pushed another man and the fight had begun. Because of these noise, Akulka's grandmother came out and she tried to control the situation. and a time for rejoicing, and the people were committing a sin by fighting. But no one paid attention her and knocked her off her feet. Now the situation became uncontrolled. All this happened in front of Akulka and Malasha. While the women exchanged words, Akulka wiped off her dress and went back to the puddle. She picked up a pebble and started scraping the ground so as to let the water off into the street. Malasha also joined her and began to help her friend. The crowd had begun to fight. When water started flowing towards the place where the grandmother was trying to separate two men, Akulka started running from one side of the rill and Malasha from another side. Actually, Malasha wanted to say something herself but could not speak for laughter. Akulka and Malasha were running and laughing at a chip which was bobbing up and down in the water. These girls ran straight into the crowd of peasants. The old woman saw these girls and said, "Shame on you before God, men. You have started fighting on account of these two girls and they have forgotten it and have been playing nicely." She added that those small girls were wiser than elder people. The men looked at Akulka and Malasha and felt ashamed. Then they laughed at themselves and went back to their work. In this way, the two girls taught elder not to get angry on small things.
Friends, in this story, two girls, Malasha and Akulka, met each other at the pedal. Both the girls had worn new clothes because of Easter. Easter, that means a Christian festival. After prayer, both the girls began to play in the water. When they came close to each other, Malasha plumped her foot into the water and bespattered. Bespattered याचा अर्थ स्प्लॅश स्मॉल ड्रॉप्स ऑफ अ लिक्विड ऑल ओव्हर म्हणजे शिंतोडे उडणे. अकुल्काच न्यू ड्रेस म्हणजे तिच्या पायाने डबक्यातील पाणी अकुल्काच्या नवीन फ्रॉकवर उडाले आणि तिथे भांडणाला सुरुवात झाली. अकुल्का अँड मलाशाज पॅरेंट्स गॅदर्ड देअर अँड बिगॅन टू quarrel. अकुल्काज ग्रँडमदर वॉज ट्राईंग टू स्टॉप देम बट इन व्हेन. ज्यावेळेला त्यांच्या भांडणाला सुरुवात झाली तेव्हा आजीने सर्वांना समजावण्याचा प्रयत्न केला पण व्यर्थ. ॲट द सेम टाईम अकुल्का अँड मलाशा स्टार्टेड प्लेईंग अगेन, फॉरगेटिंग देअर अँगर अँड क्वारेल. पण या मुलींनी सगळं काही विसरून पुन्हा एकदा खेळायला सुरुवात केली आणि हे आजीने बघितलं. द ग्रँडमदर सॉ धिस अँड सेड टू द peasant that these two girls have long ago forgotten it. The dear children have been playing nicely together. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या गोष्टीतून मोठ्यांनी हा संदेश घ्यायला हवा की लहानांची छोटी भांडणे ही मोठी न करता त्यांना समजावून सांगावे आणि छोट्या छोट्या गोष्टी या विसरून पुन्हा एकत्र यावे. फ्रेंड्स, डू यू लाईक द स्टोरी? नाव रीड इट अगेन in your mind and write down the difficult words and their meanings in your English notebook.
A Christian festival. Christiananचा सण. Rills. Small stream of water. लहान ओढा. Pile. Heap. ढीग किंवा रास. Puddle. पाण्याचे किंवा चिखलाचे डबके. Bespattered. स्पॉटेड म्हणजे घाणीचे शिंतोडे उडालेला. अकर्स्ड वन. बॅड चाइल्ड. इन्फॉर्मल वर्ड टू शो अँगर. आपण कार्टा किंवा कार्टी म्हणतो त्याप्रमाणे. नेप. द बॅक ऑफ द नेक. मानगुट. वन वर्ड ब्रॉट बॅक अनदर. शब्दाने शब्द वाढत गेला.